we are super excited to bring you this edition of The Right Sites. We just happened to stumble upon a gym in St. Thomas.
Yes, this is an exclusive video about the renovations being done at Blackbeard's Castle. We are so excited that we got to be a part of this.
Oh yeah, Blackbeard's Castle has been closed since 2017. And so we were out exploring and we just came up here and the owners of Blackbeard's Castle welcomed us in.
Yes, Steve and Lisa have been so kind to walk us around and show us everything that's being renovated here. And I want to mention the reason why it was closed, it was hit with back-to-back hurricanes in 2017, Cat 5 hurricanes. So this place had a lot of major damage, and that's why it was closed for so long. And then Steve and Lisa came along and they bought it and they are renovating it. They took us around all of the main buildings that the tourists will go through, and then the rooms that are being renovated. There are 11 rooms here on site, and then there's another part of the grounds called Villa Notman that has another 4 rooms that can be rented, and also has a tour of the period architecture as well as the furniture, antique furniture that you'll be able to see.
All right, so Becky, let's take everyone on this tour of the renovation going on at Blackbeard's Castle.
So far, this is amazing.
Yeah, Lisa was so kind to bring us in, and to the left is kind of a gift shop that they're working on, beautiful, and then a beautiful hallway that leads down to that, what they're going to call the Rumporium.
Rumporium, yes, and the rum is made here on the island, and it's specific to here, so it's the only place you can get the Blackbeard's rum, so that's kind of cool since this is Blackbeard's Castle.
Lisa, brought us down into what's going to be the kitchen and then over to the rooms. I can't remember how many rooms. It's going to be a boutique hotel.
I think 12.
12 rooms.
Said. Mm-hmm.
And they're going to be absolutely gorgeous. One of them was the suite.
2 of them. They're going to have 2 suites. So that if you're a family, you get a 2-room. So the parents can have a separate room, and a bathroom, of course, in the suite, and then a pull-out couch area, living room type area for the kids. And
then, of course, what is nice about it is all the rooms have what?
Yes, a beautiful view. Nice breeze, beautiful balcony, beautiful view of the bay. You can't beat that. And they also are going to have an area that would be great for weddings, receptions, things like that. So overall, this place is going to be impressive. It already is.
It already is. In fact, if you look behind us, I mean, the pool is already impressive.
Yes.
And then the bar area behind us. This is just a fabulous, not only boutique hotel that you're going to hang out, but also enjoy a little bit of history as well.
Yes, and we were able to go up in that.
Yeah.
And that is pretty cool. It's got the spiral staircase up and has a beautiful view as well. So we're just so excited that we're bringing you this exclusive. So if you get a chance to come check out Blackbeard, man. Well, let's finish it up.
All right, let's go. Oh, Becky, this has been an amazing tour of the Blackbeards Castle being renovated, and this actually has been my favorite day on St. Thomas.
Yes, we've met some incredible people with Lisa and Steve, and we're just so thankful to them for taking us on a tour of such an amazing place. And check out this view.
Oh yeah, we're ending it on top of the castle itself. Look at this. Ah, there she is. Such a beautiful view. Wow. So this place is going to be finished soon, and we're definitely going to come back.
Oh, for sure. And if you get a chance, you need to come check out Blackbeard's Castle. And if you can, stay on the grounds because it's going to be amazing.